Guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we will be restarting or rolling restart your entire domain. So WebLogic Kubernetes operator has given you a lot of tools to work with your cluster, which is created by WebLogic. Now, one of those tools are basically what we have actually downloaded already. So go to OPT WebLogic and then WebLogic for Kubernetes. That's the repository we have already downloaded. Within that, go to Kubernetes, and then you can actually go inside something called um, samples, and inside that you have something called scripts. So this scripts comes with a lot of various scripts which we will slowly work with, but the one which is very interesting is this domain lifecycle. So whatever the domain lifecycle needs are will be served by this particular group of scripts. So we will try to explore it one by one when we make progression towards our training. One of the important things is basically restarting your entire domain. So this includes your domain admin server, your managed server, one managed server two, all those inclusive. To run the script, all you have to do is like bash and then give the role domain.sh. This is a rolling restart, which means that one by one it would be restarting. So here there are some items which you need to give or options you need to specify over here. One is the name of the domain, which is broad tele domain. That's the name I'm going to give. And I have an N is namespace. So I'm going to give the namespace over here. So now this is going to initiate the introspective server, and this is going to initiate the restart of the servers one by one. So this is going to run a background job, a Kubernetes job, and that job is going to restart one by one. So do remember this is a rolling restart, which means that until the server is up, that the server will not be restarted. So we're going to see that right now. I'm going to pause and unpause this video for the time's sake because this particular activity would take a little bit of time. So as you can see that all my servers have been started recently, like 4 minutes, 5 minutes. This is because I've just restarted it before I am showing it to you. So you can see that now it is terminating the admin server, and it's going to bring back up the admin server one more time. You can see that initializing and then started running. And then here it will become ready and then goes to the managed server 1 and then managed server 2. If you want to restart just the managed server, you can use this role cluster.sh. In that you have to give the cluster's name and then this particular namespace. So that will restart only the clusters over here rather than the entire domain in this scenario. All right. So now I'm just going to show you one server, and that's enough for you guys because you can clearly understand that what it is actually doing. So it is waiting for the admin server to come up. Once the admin server is ready, then it will terminate this particular managed server. You can see that it's terminating because the admin server is up now. So in this fashion, you will not see a downtime on your application because you are doing the restart in a rolling fashion. Thank you again for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.